When you're working in presentations, you often want to engage your audience, and one way to do that is to use colors and things to make your slides a little bit more exciting than my boring slides that are black and white right now. So I wanted to show you about working with backgrounds. I've seen a lot of people just insert images into slides and make them as big as the slide background, but there is a shortcut that allows you to affect the background and affect all the slides if you want. So up at the top, you can see there's a background button. If you right click in your slide, not on an object, you can also change the background from there. What that does is it allows you to change the color of your background, so you can select any color you want. And you can also add it to the theme. If you click add to theme, it's going to change the background on all the slides. In this case, I'm not going to do that. So you can see I have this lovely red slide now, and it's automatically the size I need. And since it's not an image, I don't have to worry about, clicking and dragging it anywhere. Now, one thing that I use a lot when I change my backgrounds is not the color option, but the image option. And what you can do is you can choose an image and insert an image into your background, just like you would insert an image anywhere else. I'm going to show you, though, the little problem that may befall you if you do this. So I'm going to go to my drive, and I'm going to look at recent images that I've used. And I'm going to choose an image that I took with my phone of a book I was reading. And I'm going to say done, because I'm not going to add it to the slide, because you can see that it resized my image so that it fit on the slide. In this case, it got all stretched out, which is not something that I would want. So you need to be careful when you're selecting images to use in the background, because you want to make sure that it doesn't get distorted. So a good way to do that is when you're searching for an image, I search for cool background, and I have it labeled for reuse. You can search for certain sizes. So large is a good thing to go for. Larger than, you can go with your dimensions if you want a widescreen dimension, or exactly, and that allows you to type in the exact dimensions of your slide if you want something that fits perfectly. In this case, since I did cool background, most of my images are probably going to already have a aspect ratio that fits in well with the shape of the slide. So I'm going to choose one of these. This one's kind of cool. I'm going to right click on it and copy image address. So now when I go back to my slides, I'm going to change that background again. I'm going to choose an image, and in this case, I'm going to go back and I'm going to use by URL. So I'm going to paste the URL in. That's the image I wanted, and say select. So you can see that this one didn't get distorted, and I'm going to say add to theme. I like it. I want it on all my slides. So what that does is it adds that background to all of my slides. Obviously, it's a little bit busy, and this might not be the best choice for the slide, but now you know how to do that, and you can go find the image that works best for you.